Hello, students. This is Mansi Bhosle, your mentor for physics and maths, and today I am going to give you a very good news, especially for the students of Class 10 ICSE board who will be appearing board examinations for the year 2021. Yes, your syllabus has been reduced almost up to 25%. That's a good news, and that's a lot of relief in the situation that we are in today, right? We are not able to go to school. We are having online classes, which is a very new thing for us. Some students are able to follow it, some are not able to follow it. So, in this entire hitch hatch and all the things which are going around, this is a big relief. Happy? Yes. Now, let us analyze what all topics are removed from the syllabus. Okay. Now, the first unit of your previous syllabus was commercial mathematics. You had three topics in it: the chapter 1 GST, goods and services tax, chapter 2 banking, and the third shares and dividends. Now, out of this, the topic shares and dividends has been totally removed. Yes, entire chapter has been removed, and the chapter 1 goods and services, it is as it is. Banking is also as it is. Whatever there in the syllabus, whatever there in the textbook is going to come. But yes, the chapter shares and dividends has been totally removed. What I have analyzed from the entire the topics which are deleted, topics which are very important are being kept, and topics which are a little far away from the knowledge, which are just an extra addition to the syllabus, that have been deleted, right? So shares and dividends, this you will be learning in your 11th and 12th standard as well if you take commerce, right? So nothing that you are losing it out on, right? So this entire chapter was deleted, shares and dividends, full chapter. Now, unit 2 consisted of linear inequations, which is again full chapter is included as it is there in the textbook. Continuing with quadratic equations, chapter 5 is fully same. Solving problems based on quadratic equations, again fully as it is. Now, ratio proportion, yes, this chapter, it is not entirely deleted, but it is partially deleted, right? Partially. We'll see what all topics are removed from this chapter. It is partially deleted. Again, Remainder factor theorem, one of the important topic, it's there. Matrices, again an important topic, it's there. Arithmetic progression, it's entirely there. Now, this chapter, geometric progression, again, full chapter has been deleted. Yes, chapter number 11, geometric progressions, full chapter deleted. Happy? Very good. Now see, in ratio proportion, if you go through the chapter, the first part of the chapter, which is the ratio part, okay, the entire ratio part has been removed. That means the entire exercise 7.8 won't be included in the examinations. The remaining part, that is the proportion part, it's there. So continued proportion will be there. Then alternando, invertendo, dividendo, componendo, that is exercise 7.7b, 7c, 7d. All these three exercises will be there. Only the first exercise, which has the ratio part in it, has been deleted, right? Chapter number 11, geometric progression, full chapter deleted. Full chapter has been deleted. I know many of the students are going to be very happy with this news. Now, as far as coordinate geometry is concerned, reflections, again, one of the easy chapters, fully there as it is there in the textbook. Section midpoint formula, again, one of the easiest chapters that we have, fully included. Equation of a line, again, fully included. Nothing is deleted from this part. Unit 4, geometry, one of the most important, and yes, I know many of the students get confused in this part. I mean, and some of them, it's like a nightmare. geometry, theorems, applications, proving this and that. Yes, so yes, there are some things which have been deleted from this chapter as well. As far as similarity chapter is concerned, it is partially deleted. We'll see what all topics is deleted from there. Not the entire chapter, but some part of it is deleted. Partially deleted. Loci, full chapter deleted. Entire chapter has been removed. Circles, one of the very important chapters. It has applications in 11th and 12th grades as well. This chapter is there. Now again, chapter number 18, tangents and intersecting chords. There are total six theorems, right, in this chapter. Now out of those 6 theorems, 3 theorems are removed, 3 theorems are there. Okay, I'll tell you which 3 are removed. Constructions, again, one of the easiest chapters and very scoring chapters we have. It is there. It's there. Right? So again, chapter number 18, partially deleted. Okay, so let's see what all topics are deleted from similarity and tangents. So out of similarity, the last part of the chapter, which is size transformations and maps and models, which is actually considered to be an important topic, has been deleted. Right? It's quite easy, but then again, it's not, it will be not be asked in your board examinations as far as 2021 is concerned. Loci, entire chapter, full chapter is deleted. In similarity, size transformation, maps and models, the last part of the chapter is deleted. Remember, in this chapter, the BPT, that is the basic proportionality theorem, the tests for similarity of 2 triangles and the areas of 2 similar triangles, these 3 are very important topics. It's going to be there. So you need to just focus on these 3 topics for similarity. Now, as far as the chapter 18 is concerned, that is tangents and intersecting chords, it has 6 theorems. It starts from 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay. Out of these 6 theorems, only 3 theorems are kept. So the first theorem is relation between radius and the tangent, which is always perpendicular to each other. Then the second one is tangents drawn from a point outside the circle are always equal. And the fourth one is regarding tangents in a segment. Okay, these 3 theorems are kept, and the other 3 theorems, that is theorem 11, theorem 12 and theorem 14, have been totally deleted. So at least 2 to 3 exercises would be deleted from this chapter, which are based on these specific theorems. Done? Okay. Unit 5, again, one of the most scoring chapters that you can have. Students who are not very good with trigonometry or not very good with geometry part can score marks on this chapter. Very scoring. Just learn the formulas, put in the values and calculate. You will get your marks, right? So mensuration is fully as it was there in the previous syllabus. Trigonometry, again, very interesting and very scoring as well if you get the hang of it. Both the chapters are as it is, 2020, 21 and 22. Geometrical identities and heights and distances, both are very important and included fully. Then unit 7, the last unit, that is the statistic part. Graphical representation is, all the 3 chapters are kept as it is. And again, these are very interesting chapters and very scoring as well. So if you analyze most of the part, out of these chapters which are kept, like out of 100, 25% has been deleted. Out of that 75, 45% is such part which is very scoring. You can score marks entirely on that, even if you do, even if you are 70% prepared, averagely prepared with the subject, right? So graphical representation, very interesting, fully there. Measures of central tendency, beautiful chapter wherein we are dealing with mean, mode and median of the data calculations. Probability, one of the easiest chapters that we can have, right? All the three chapters are kept as it is, right? So now let us quickly, in a nutshell, what all parts are deleted. 3 full chapters have been deleted. Shares and dividends, chapter number 3. Then we have chapter number 11, geometric progressions, and chapter number 16, loci. All 3 chapters are fully deleted. Yes. Now, the another three chapters are partially deleted, which includes chapter number 7, ratio and proportion. So ratio part, the first part is entirely deleted, two parts are remaining. The 15th chapter, similarity, size transformation, maps and models part, entirely deleted. Tangents and intersecting parts, three theorems have been deleted, right? So this is the deleted portion of your mathematics syllabus. Yes, now do not panic. So this is it. I know many of you are going to be very happy with this news, but still we have a lot to do. Lot many topics are there. So do not just be happy that okay, it's reduced, it's deleted, fine. But again, we have a lot of things to do, and be thorough with the textbook. Solve each and every question of the textbook. Try to solve the extra questions. Try to do the past papers as I mean, the more past papers you do, the more quickly and the more time reduction will be there in solving your questions. Okay. Hope you liked the analysis done by me for the reduction in syllabus. I'm coming up soon with one more video which will be dealing with reduction in syllabus for physics. Yes, physics has also been deleted, and many topics which were there initially are not there in your physics syllabus as well. Okay, see you then. Bye bye. Take care.